Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to another straightforward guide on managing your digital assets. Today, we're tackling how to withdraw Dogecoin from Trust Wallet to Bitrue in 2025. With the crypto world evolving fast, this updated process ensures you're transferring your Dogecoin securely and efficiently. Whether you're a beginner looking to move funds or a seasoned trader optimizing your portfolio, this step-by-step tutorial will have you covered in no time. First things first, make sure you have both Trust Wallet and Bitrue apps installed and set up on your device. Start by opening your Trust Wallet app and navigating to your Dogecoin wallet. You'll see your current balance. Double-check that you have enough Doge to cover the withdrawal amount plus any network fees. Next, head over to the Bitrue app or website. Log in to your account and go to the deposit section. Select Dogecoin from the list of cryptocurrencies. Bitrue will generate a unique deposit address for you. Copy this address carefully, as it's crucial for the transfer. Pro tip: always verify that you're using the Dogecoin network, often BEP20 or native, to avoid any compatibility issues in 2025. Now, back in Trust Wallet, tap on the Send or Withdraw button in your Dogecoin wallet. Paste the Bitrue deposit address into the recipient field. Enter the amount you want to withdraw, and don't forget to review the transaction fees. Once everything looks good, hit Confirm and authorize the transaction with your wallet's security features, like Face ID or a PIN. After initiating the transfer, you'll need to wait for the blockchain to confirm the transaction. This usually takes a few minutes, but it can vary based on network congestion. Keep an eye on your Bitrue account to see when the Dogecoin arrives. One common pitfall to watch out for is selecting the wrong network. Stick to the one specified by Bitrue to prevent lost funds. Also, in 2025, be aware of any new regulations or updates from Trust Wallet or Bitrue that might affect withdrawals. And there you have it. You've successfully withdrawn your Dogecoin from Trust Wallet to Bitrue. If this guide helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tips. Stay safe out there and happy trading.